Hi dolls. So I low-key just had a mental breakdown and cut my bangs. It's okay though. I'm about to cook because my boyfriend's home and I want some shrimp. I got a whole pack of shrimp. I want some shrimp right now. So we're gonna make some pasta and shrimp. While I wait for my package to come, I'm about to have freckles, y'all. I'm about to have, well, more freckles than I already have. So yeah, I'll be back in a few. Technique I have for this is to twist my hair around twice and then cut little by little, because cutting little by little, make sure you don't cut too much of your hair, because if you cut too much of your hair, then it's gone forever until it grows back. So I twist it each time in opposite directions. So when I cut the first time, I turn it to the left, and then I cut, and then I turn it to the right, and then I cut. So make sure that it's even all the way around. I also like to cut upwards, and this is just my way of feathering them out, because if I just cut straight across, then it looks way too blunt.
How do you cut your hair straight up? How is it cutting something?
It's at an angle.
No, you have
It's slightly at an angle.
It's like this. How you gonna cut stuff then?
You didn't see me, look. Just hair
You're
on it.
making your hair sharp. You're not cutting it off.
No. That's not what I'm doing.
Oh, it's a lot of hair. I'm making bangs. Does everybody have bangs? Or like you have to make them like that?
What?
Now girls be having like mad bangs. They do this.
Wait, I don't understand what you're asking me.
Like everybody that has bangs, they do it themselves or like have it.
They probably get it done, or they do it themselves.
Everybody just has bangs.
You thought that's just how hair grows in bangs? What? Your hair grows as long as it wants to grow. People get bangs to frame their face. And I have a big forehead. Here you see me repeating that same twist and cut technique. This is the most efficient way for me to get my bangs nice and even and make sure I don't mess them up at all. The reason I like to cut upwards is to keep them nice and feathered because blunt bangs are just not a look for me and I don't like how they fit. So cutting upwards like this will add a little bit of an angle, makes it look nice and soft and feathered.
What are you looking for to cut? What are you looking for?
What do you mean?
What are you cutting?
My hair, you don't see it because you're not over here.
What's messed up that you're cutting it off?
What do you mean?
I'm trying to understand what the f you're doing.
I'm cutting my bangs.
But you're cutting straight up.
Yes, that's how you do it.
But what are you looking for when you're cutting?
What do you mean? What am I looking
Like your eyes look at something and go tap, 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 tap. That means you're looking for something to cut off.
What are you talking about?
Oh my god, what are you cutting off?
My hair.
Obviously, that's like the common situation at the moment. What I'm saying is, what are you cutting out? Like, what is it? Like a defect or some shit that you got? Like you're looking for messed up pieces of hair and cutting them off?
Wait, no.
So what are you cutting off?
My hair.
Oh my god, you're not understanding what I'm saying. When you grab your right and you have it lined up and you're like tap, 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 what are you looking for to cut?
What do you mean?
Like, is there a messed up part of your hair that you're cutting off?
No, it's just my hair.
Why are you cutting it off if you don't need to then?
Because I want bangs.
They're already, so you're trying to trim it little by little. That's what you're saying? That's not gonna act so.
Yes.
They say because in the beginning, that's what I'm asking.
But what do you mean?
What are you cutting?
What do you mean, what am I cutting?
Oh my god. Please tell her what I mean, people on the internet.
I'm cutting my hair.
Oh my god.
I don't understand what you're confused about.
Alright, so when you start cutting right now, right? You cutting anymore, you're done?
I'm almost done.
When you cut, you're cutting like a that. How do you choose what you cut? Let me rephrase it for you.
What do you mean, how do I choose what I cut?
This is ridiculous.
I don't understand.
It's like I'm speaking to a person that don't speak English.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
This is crazy. My head hurts.
Like what? What do you mean? What do you mean?
Just leave it alone. Forget about the situation. It's over. It's over.
I ended up finishing cutting them off of camera using the same techniques that I showed, and this is what they turned out like. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave me a like and subscribe for more content like such.